Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can add your logo on Odoo website. So first thing that you should do is you have to make sure that you have logged into your Odoo account, and then you just have to tap on or create your website. Okay, so once you're here, you just have to customize your website so you can add different blocks from the right side corner of your screen. All right, so right here, and then after that, right here at the top left, you have your logo option. So you just have to tap on this one. So you just have to double click this one and then just upload here your own image. You can also use a URL or search for an image. So for example, I'm going to look for a dress. All right, and after that, you'll be able to see a different result. But of course, since this is your personal website, this is for your business website, then you have to upload your own logo. But I'm just going to upload here a random image. So for example, this one right here. You just have to tap on it and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your logo at the top left of your screen. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.